The next one is Golden Arrows against Chippa United. Right. I wouldn't say they finished bad in the season. I would not say they finished also good, but I think they maintained their status in the Betway Premiership.
Yeah.
So looking at these two teams, do you think it might be possibly maybe a competitive match?
Wa ka nna ke nagana gore ke 3 points for Golden Arrows wa ka nna because of go lebella Golden Arrows le bona se ba release di-player tse dintši wa bo a se ba sign di-player tse dintši the likes of Squish o le gore o sepetšwe le ko Sundowns. I think ke the only player o le goreng re tla re na dira that different ko team ya tshwana le ya Mazulu ba sa le gona bo Diong the leading goal scorer ya previous season ya 25-26 so ba sa le gona batho ba tshwana le bo Maxwell. I think ke team e le gore they still have a quality team, I mean quality players amongst bona, and also coach wa bona Simo Dladla I think is one of the best coaches in the PSL, and playing against Chippa United by coach again Brendan Truter. For now, I don't see him doing well, more especially for Chippa Loring. As I said, the player they said no, I think only 3 players or 4 players. I know gore Mutwaso and Stengli Novali we Chippa United, but I don't see them winning that game against Stellenbosch. I mean against Golden Arrows. I think Golden Arrows will win that game.
What's the score?
For now, I will give it 2-0, 2-1.
All right.